Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on working with table in Microsoft Word. In this video, I will show you how to add a column and a row to a table in just a few clicks. So let's get started. To add a column to your table, right-click anywhere inside the table. From the menu, choose Insert and select left or right, depending on where you want the column to be appeared. And that is already you make your new column. And we will do the same on how to create a new row. Right-click anywhere inside the table. From the menu, choose Insert and select below or above. And also it depends on where you want new row to be appeared. And that is. You can also use the layout tools by going at the table tools and choose layout. From here, you can add column or row from your table. If I choose it here, then I will insert right and the new column will appear, or I will insert below to add the new rows. And there is your new rows and column are created. And that is how easy it is to add row and column in Microsoft Word. In the next video, we will cover how to delete row and column you no longer need. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick word tips.